everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Palmer in Your Pocket, where we will explore art and the Palmer collection in small, fun, bite-sized videos. Meet the Fall 2020 team through their favorite works of art at the museum.
Hey everyone, my name is Tess. I am a junior studying art history and I'm an intern at the Palmer. Woodland Interior is one of my favorite pieces in the Palmer's collection because I'm from a rural area in PA. So when I'm in State College and missing home, this painting by William Truss Richards reminds me of my hometown. If you're from or have ever visited Elk Country or another part of the PA wilds, let us know in the comments below.
Hey everyone, my name is Lucina and I am an intern here at the Palmer this semester. And while we can't be in the building, we can still engage with art in a virtual setting. One of my favorite pieces at the Palmer is Harlem Rose by Willie Cole. At first glance, when you look, you see a circular sculpture with a bunch of foreign objects sticking out of it. But at a deeper look, I was able to see that these little foreign objects were shoes, and that it was supposed to invoke the image of the shoes Black women wore to march in the civil rights movement. I love this piece because it's a reminder to me to look deeper at every single artwork that I look at.
Hi everyone, I'm Carrie. I'm a graduate assistant at the Palmer and a PhD candidate in art history. You'll notice that I share a first name with the artist of my favorite work at the museum. In this untitled photograph, Carrie Mae Weems highlights the way that so many moments in our lives, both commonplace and formative, take place around the kitchen table. Earlier during quarantine, I was even inspired to recreate this work using props from home.